So finally, after owning this house for 13 years, we got rid of this fan in the brick wall. My uncle-in-law was kind enough to come help us out with this. He's been doing masonry work for about 25 years, so he kind of had it down. So here he's got a masonry 4.5-inch disc on a 4.5-inch grinder, and he's cutting out to get back to solid bricks so we can put solid bricks in, so it kind of just blends right in. We put a fan to blow all the dust away from us. I was downgraded to a helper, and I was a darn good one, I'd say. Here I was cleaning up some of the bricks. That's a clean one there. Here's a dirty one where I started. I take a screwdriver and poke all the old mud and sand and whatnot in the holes. Take my little brush here and wire wheel the brick. Steve's got everything cut out and prepped. We took some plywood and patched up the hole and put some brick hangers on the plywood. We've got our caulk gun, and we're using this material called R-Guard Fast Flash. It's like a rubber membrane that's way better than the plastic sheeting to seal everything off. Now we're mixing the mortar. It's 2 parts masonry sand, 1 part mortar, and get it to about a toothpaste consistency. Now we're wetting the brick so the bricks don't pull out the moisture in the mortar and dry it up. The last brick is the most challenging one. You gotta smash the mortar in all the holes and don't push it in too far because it's hard to pull back out. Now he's using a striker on the bed joints. This gives it that nice radius for the finished look. Now he's coming back with a piece of carpet to knock down any of the burrs and clean it up a little bit.